Hi, I'm Leon Adams, Vice President of Sales and Marketing at Southwest Electronic Energy. I'm here today to introduce you to the new SWE DrillData II gauge, which is industry-leading 180 degrees C compliant. No extra pins for communications, much longer storage time, much longer run times, much higher temperature, and more precision. Now I have it downloaded on this PC, and you can see the highlight here. I'm going to double click on that. It loads up the program. Install the USB plug into the PC, USB port, and you see SWE plug detected, and then metadata start to download with the green bars. This will automatically happen. You'll see a new screen pop up that shows the gauge is connected, what the remaining capacity, estimated remaining capacity is of that gauge, the part number name, which in this case is a DrillData II demo as highlighted, and the remaining capacity of the gauge memory, which in this case is nearly 100%. You can click to battery info, and it will have various sets of information, including the part numbers, serial numbers, firmware versions. These labels shown here are labels that can be filled in by you prior to running the pack or installing the pack, where you can add label information that will be pulled back up when the battery is read if you desire. So go back to gauge functions, clicking there. We're going to download the data bar for load time coming across, and now we have the downloaded data. With this downloaded data, you see that everything was in green condition, and we're in good shape there in our green conditions of all of our data, mostly standby time. We'll go to view, push the button to go to view plot. This is a fairly significant set of data. Now we see that we have quite a bit of data in this full view of the plot. And what I'd like to do now is zoom in a little bit on some of this data. Do my shift and my left my left mouse key, and start zooming in multiple versions of zoom in on this data. Now here's an interesting thing you can do also. You can say I want to do a delta. So let me go to this where this peak is on this one current, and I'm going to basically say let me use the delta tool. Push the delta tool. I'll come down here and start at this peak, push my left cursor, and move over until I get to the second piece and push my cursor again. So this gives me a delta information in this table now. It shows me that I am 1 second delta time between those two peaks, and that's exactly as I expected it to be. It tells me what times they are. Taking a look at exports, you can export an image. Let's zoom this in real nice and say we've got this nice zoomed in point right here, and we say we want to export this image desktop. And that's what the display looks like that we just saved. So for reporting or other things, you can get all of that information saved for your reports. Okay, so there it is with all your data, and here's where your data starts filling in. So it's a line by line time-stamped array of your data. And there's a new additional capability to export in the LAS file format. The LAS file format is a typical format used in the drilling world today. So this is kind of the capabilities of the DrillData 2 and the DrillData 2 Observer. Thank you for watching this video about the SWE DrillData 2 gauge, and we look forward to talking to you. Please contact us at SWE.com or your SWE salesperson. Thank you.